You must have automated mixing, irrigation, and light control. That takes a lot of sensors. We have about 50 per container, including light sensors, CO2 sensors, pH sensors, EC sensors, level sensors in all nutrient tanks, temperature sensors for liquid and air, humidity sensors, etc. The control system should have a mobile app, alert you if something goes wrong when you're away, and include remote monitoring. Finally, after each harvest, the system should generate reports how much water, nutrients, and power were used. It needs growing data packages, strategies, and parameters for each crop covering light, air, water, gas, and nutrients. This should be fully controllable via software and reproducible. If one batch succeeds, save the data package next time, just reuse it for consistent results. The manufacturer should provide full instructions how to operate the farm, sow seeds, harvest, check plant health, and calibrate sensors. Since it's a closed system, not open to the outside, air must be sterilized. If someone brings in germs, the air system should kill them. Our container has multiple sterilization methods built into the climate control, plus a standalone air purifier. That eliminates over 99% of bacteria. We've grown batch after batch with no infections. If you have multiple containers together, divide them into zones, some for work, harvesting, or seedlings, others for growing. This prevents cross-contamination. Growing trays, pipes, and nutrient tanks should all use food-grade materials.